This is Wesley Dodson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at a 1959 MGA 1600 Roadster. And we're going to take a look at it. This is a beautiful car finished in blue with gray interior. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take a look at this car. Like I said, this car's finished in beautiful blue with pretty wheels and tires. Just a real nice little car. Just hard to find these 1959 MGA Roadsters. Just a real good little car. We're going to take a look at it here. First, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior. Really nice and clean all inside there. Really looks good. A little standard shift. Just a fun car to get out in, just have some fun. Doors shut easy. I'm going to show you the inside the trunk here real quick. Really easy to get to. What you do is you lift the seat up, reach back in here, and there's a lever right here. You just pull that, you come back, and the trunk opens right up. It's got the little bikini top right there. It's got windows for the top. Top folds up easy. It's super easy to put on and off if you wanted to. So I'm gonna shut the trunk here, and we'll take a look at the we'll take a look at it starting, and then take a look underneath the hood. So I'm gonna shut the trunk here. He's gonna start it up for me. Up easy. Let him get out there. All the doors look good. Show you how you open the hood. There's a little latch there, a little lever. I'm gonna cut this off. That way we can hear it. All nice and clean on the interior here. Really looks good. It's got a newer model stereo system in it. It's got some speakers that look good. Really nice and clean. Shut the door here. The doors just shut easy as pie on it. Show you underneath the hood. Just real good chrome all on the car. Really looks good. Underneath the hood, looks nice and clean underneath the hood. Just a real nice little motor there. Really looks good. It runs and drives easy. It's just a real good little car. I'm gonna have Dad help me shut the hood here. He's gonna take that little hood.
Let's also reference they've upgraded this to Weber carburetors.
Now Weber carburetors.
And it was frame off in 2010.
Okay. There you go. There you go. It snaps in there easy. And then you just let her fall. Let me show you how to shut the hood. Messed it up, sorry. Really easy. Just shuts easy as pie, if you know what you're doing. But this has been the 1959 MGA Roadster. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572. or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to go for a test drive and see how this thing drives. Take this 1959 MGA 1600 Roadster for a test drive. Turn the key over, pull the knob, she just fires right up. Got a tack. It's got a little button horn in the dash. Fuel gauge. If you want to hear the radio work, message me. I'll get you a video of the radio working. I can't show it on YouTube due to copyright purposes. But here we go. We're going to take this MGA for a test drive and see how it does. There we go. last car to turn here, and then we'll be ready to go. Here we go. Get on it just a little bit, see what this MG's made of.
Learn how to drive, Dotson.
All right, here we go. Such a good little car, shifts through all the gears the right way, just a great running driving car. Well, a great car to get in and just have some fun.
Great oil pressure.
Yep. All right, we are almost back. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page for more cool muscle cars like this one. If you have questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, if we can survive the test drive, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. Here's the underneath.